To enable and use the scene describer feature of the Bixby Vision on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap vision enhancement. Scroll down the screen. Under Spoken Assistant section, tap Bixby Vision for accessibility. And then make sure that the scene describer option is on. If it's still off, you can tap the on-off switch next to this option until the switch turns blue to turn it on. Now tap Open Bixby Vision. Alternatively, you can access it from any screen where you can find Bixby Vision icon or from your camera. Next, in the accessibility section, tap Scene Describer. Now, point your camera to a scene you like to capture. And then tap Capture icon.
A black watch on a wood surface.
Once Bixby has done analyzing the scene, you can hear that Bixby will speak to you about the detailed description of the scene you are capturing. Given to the function, this feature is designed to help those with visual impairment so that they can easily understand where they are and what is happening by listening to the detailed description of a capture scene provided by Bixby Vision. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.